The Bernina 790 has the option to adjust the foot pressure. That's this little symbol that starts off at 50. It looks like there's a little weight coming down on the toe of the foot. And you can come in here and actually adjust it. Let me explain why it even changed the foot pressure in the first place. Probably the most common one would be is if I'm working on something stretchy and it's coming out wavy. If you've had that happen to you, you know that that foot is sitting too heavy against the feed dogs and it's getting stretched out while it's sewing, and then that gives you that rippled look. So usually what I'll do is drop that down somewhere, maybe half the amount, maybe from 50 down to the 25 range. You can slide this down, you can minus it, and you can touch the yellow box at any time to bring it back to the default setting. So as you slide it down, you can sew from this screen and see how it's turning out and then decide if you needed more or less. That is nice, but you can come out here and then you'll be able to see the number you've altered it to, because it will be a yellow number. Now, let me show you one more thing. I'm going to clear that so that goes back to normal. Remember, you do have the Bernina Creative Consultant. If you did the same thing where you told the machine you were actually working with a stretchy fabric, that's what all these are, different fabrics. So I'm going to pick something heavy and stretchy and I'm sewing a seam on here. Watch the pressure. It has actually adjusted it for me. Notice it went down about halfway, but it also picked the right stitch for me and changed the length. So that might have been a little bit more than normal because I did pick a heavier fabric, and the tension has also been altered for me also. And look, it even tells me a different foot recommendation. So sometimes if you don't know if the pressure should be changed, can use the Bernina Creative Consultant. That's the function with the dress form, and pick your fabric and then pick your technique, and then it will do the rest.